Hi, today I want to give you a short review and couple of close-ups of this cool expandable garden hose. So in the package you receive the garden hose, sprayer head, quick release connections, 3 washers and 2 metal quick releases if you don't want to use those plastic ones. Installation is super easy. So first of all you need to install the quick connection. All you do is just put this connection in, tighten the connection, and then you take one end of the hose. So to connect it, this is push-in connection. All you have to do is just push this in until it clicks, and now you have a solid connection. I like to use my own sprayer handle, so I'm gonna show you on this how to mount it. So this is the quick release for the end of the hose. All you have to do is just put it in, make a tight connection. You can tighten that just a little bit. Now, very important thing, make sure that this part is sticking out of the bottom of the handle, so the quick release could engage. In the next step, you have another quick connection. All you have to do is just push this in until it clicks. Make sure connection is solid. Now you're ready to test it. Now I'm gonna turn the water on, and you will see how the hose expands. It is pretty cool. And right now the hose is full of water. We can start using it. As you can see, this hose does not kink. Even though I try to bend it and kink it, it still works. I can even do this. Try to squeeze it. Still works. The outside of the hose texture feels rubberized. As you can see, you can feel a little texture, but it's rubberized to the touch on the outside. Another cool thing is, once you turn the water off, you can still have a lot of pressure and a lot of water inside of the hose. So you can still water your plants with the remaining water that is still in the hose. And as you can see, the hose contracts to its original size. If you want to put it for storage, it takes almost no space. So it's a great space saver. Now, if you turn the water on again, the hose expands. You can still water it. Use it without any problems. Shut the water off. Release the pressure. The hose will contract back to its size. So it is super easy to use. In case you want to replace this plastic quick release with this metal one, here's what you need to do. First, you need to unscrew the bottom part. This is removable. You can slide it over. Remove the top part. Okay? You take this part, and this is the bottom that goes inside of the hose. So remove this part. Okay, and there's another plastic ring. So you need to remove this plastic ring first in order to slide this over the hose. Now you need to put this part over first with the thread facing outside. Okay, now we need to place this plastic ring right over. Now we put this part inside of the hose. Until the end of the hose touches the end of the quick release. We slide the plastic over, slide the metal part over, make a tight connection. That's it. Now you replace the plastic quick release with the metal one. Now in order for you to use the handle, you need to push down quick release until this locks in place. Now you're ready to use your new metal quick release. It is a great product. It's a great space saver and it doesn't kink. That's the best part. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.